how to blur the background or part of a picture on the Samsung Galaxy phone in 2024. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then open up the Picture Gallery app. Next, select the photos that you want to blur. So for example, this one right here. Then tap on the Edit button. Next, tap on the Decorations button. And in here, tap on the Mosaic pen or the pattern pen, so tap on that. In here, select a blur style. So there are 4 different styles from strong dark to light gray. And then at the top here, you can choose a pen style. So here we got the basic pen and a straight line pen. So select the type of pen that you want to use, and then you can increase or decrease the width of your pen. After that, tap on the close button. Now on the photo, you can zoom in to allow you to easily view the picture and blur the photos. So here I will blur part of this picture on the background, as well as this portrait here. If you want to do freeform, you can go back into the pen and choose this pen here. And here you can kind of freeform whatever you want to blur it out. And once you're happy, just tap on the Save button. Then choose Save or Save as a copy. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now this will be the same on your other phone, on the other Samsung phone as well. The menu might be slightly different, but the steps are pretty much the same. Thank you for watching.